to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is yet again a very exciting video. Now I will be doing this sort of a video, sort of a makeup look for the very first time. So I'm super excited and I'm also scared. So today's look is obviously inspired by someone, and it is none other than one of my favorite content creators. It is Aanam'. So she recently posted on Instagram. Now this is again, I know that this is a part of a contest which but I like, apart from 45% of contest is going for that, but the rest is actually that I'm curious, actually I'm excited, actually I'm scared to create this particular look. And Aanam', if you're watching this video somehow or the other, please bear with me because I am not a professional makeup artist and I am seriously at a -% of like how the makeup look will turn out, because I have never tried this sort of a look. And please forgive me if the makeup look does not look somewhat like you, or if I spoil the look. Please forgive me for all those things. Please, without further ado, let's begin with today's video.
Hey everyone, so to begin my makeup I am using Lacto Calamine. It is like, I use this for acting as a moisturizer on my skin. You can use ponds, you can use whatever products which suits your skin. So here I am using Lacto Calamine, and next for the foundation I am using Lakme, the very basic foundation, and I'll be just applying it with the help of my beauty blender, and I'll blend it properly. Now I have like open pores and I have some acne marks on my skin. I'm currently working on it so as to reduce the acne marks and to reduce the open pores. So if you guys have any kind of suggestions, so please, you're welcome. And so this particular makeup look which I was actually willing to talk about, it's my first ever Halloween look, and thanks to Aanam for introducing a contest, and because of that I am going to try out this look for the very first time, and I do really hope it turns out great. So next I'm using the talcum powder, the Pond's ₹10 talcum powder, because it's always sasta and it suits my skin. It soaks in the oil for like the longest hours. If you guys have any oily skin and if your T-zone area is specifically oily, so this actually helps down. And I am pretty sure that Maybelline Fit Me powder and other Lakme powders and everything also suits, but I have never used any of those previously. So this is what I have been using so far, and I am like going on using it. So I'll just blend in properly the powder and like dab off the excess with the help of this particular brush. So I previously made a video on this brush set review, so if you guys haven't checked it out already, I will link it somewhere on the screen. So next I will be doing my eyebrows. Now I chose a very basic matte black shade to do my eyebrows, and I'll just dab off the excess with the eyebrow brush. So which I was talking about Aanam'. Now she is an absolutely sweetheart. Like very rarely I have come across content creators who actually respond, who actually take such initiative. Kudos to your private Facebook group. I'm really grateful you like actually thought about it and created that safe space for everyone, and also grateful because you actually take in account of everything, even if there's like people commenting on your videos, or even if someone is suggesting you something, giving you advice, and you actually do take in like the account. And I feel that that is a huge thing which you actually do, Aanam'. And if you happen to watch my video, please drop in your review, because that will be like the icing on the cake if I get the review of yours. So next I will be applying the blush. Now I'll try to include a photo of Aanam's look as well, because as she has uploaded a video, so it's pretty difficult for me to take a photo, but I will try. So this blush palette is really not that expensive, and I have been using this for quite a while now. And of course Jugaad, I use that blush ka palette में से I used it as an आई शेडो, बिकॉज मेरे पास वो स्विस ब्यूटी का पैलेट में पिंक कलर का आई शेडो नहीं है, ऐसा वाला पिंक. सो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू मेक यूज़ ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड like anything if you're into makeup. and it's not that a hardened rule where you cannot use your blush as an eyeshadow, you cannot use your eyeshadow palette में से कोई भी एक shimmer palette as an highlighter. You can like go crazy, you can be as much as creative as you want to be. It just depends on how you want to use it. So I think that almost my basic neutral eye makeup is done. So next I am going towards a very bold one. So I think for the very first time I am doing a black or kind of a smoky eye makeup look, because I haven't ever done it before. And please drop in your comments as to like how am I looking, or how like did it even turned out anywhere closer to Aanam'S look, or like, because this is my first time, I would definitely want like you guys reviews, you guys comments as to how you did actually like the video, or you want to see more such series of this particular kind. I am applying a bit of black eyeshadow under my eyes as well. I'm taking, okay, so I had like two types of black eyeshadow. One is the matte one and one is a shimmery one. So after applying the matte one, I just applied like a little bit of the shimmer black eyeshadow, and I think that pretty much my eye makeup is done. So drop in your comments, guys, and if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope that by this time my giveaway video is live on my channel, and also if you haven't participated already, please do participate. And so next I will be using, the product links will be mentioned in the description box down below, so please don't like panic. So this is a very maroonish blood, not like really blood, but it's more kind of a maroonish red shade, and this is such a stunning shade, I have to say. So to mix it up, I am using another L18 color lipstick. So as you guys, this is again I think Maroon Iris if I'm not wrong, from L18 shade. And as you guys will know probably from my previous videos, I like to mix and match like different shades of lipstick. So here I am using that Maroon Iris only to do my makeup, as to like match up with Aanam'S makeup look. So I'm just doing it. It seems like, you know, you're crying and blood is dropping out from your eyes. I think if probably I interpreted it wrong, so please correct me, guys. And if Aanam, you're watching this, correct me down below. So of course, so I'll just blend it off with a small blending brush. I think the whole vibe of it is going good. As she was also wearing black, I thought of wearing black as well. So I think my makeup look is almost done. It was pretty simple and it was fun to do. Please drop in your comments, guys.
Video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed watching throughout, and please do comment down below as to how you did found out this video. This is a very unique or a very new kind of a video which I tried out today, and I really hope that Aanam watches this video and shares some beautiful insights. I am really hoping for that, because she is always such a sweet person. She always replies nice. Now, like, no matter what, she will reply to your comments, she will reply to your messages. She is like a very good person in all. Now I'm not saying just for the sake that she is always supportive, she's always responsive. It's not because of that like together, but on an overall average basis, she is such a kind of a person who is like very well versed, like she's well equipped. She's always I don't know, I might sound really stupid, but she's always ahead of what she is gonna do, what things are gonna go up on her channel. Like, she's always ahead of the things, and that is what I like the most about her. Now I am also trying to be in that figurative track of where I can plan ahead, where I can like have that much of capacity of thinking like when and what will be going on my channel after 1 month or after 2 weeks, or what kind of reels. Now if you haven't watched her vlog, where that was one of my most favorite vlogs, so where she shows you all throughout how she shoots. Now I haven't seen any other content creator showing this much of raw stuff on their channel, and I think I just adore her. So please don't forget to comment down below as to how you did found out this video, and also drop in your comments as to if you want to see more such kind of videos. So that will be a really good motivation for me. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.